It's gardeningtime.com. As you know, we start all of our gardening videos with itsgardeningtime.com. Obviously, it's not. We're in the middle of the blizzard of 2016. We have about 14 inches of snow on the ground. Inspector Lowe is digging out the driveway. Say hello, Inspector Lowe. We have viewers from all over the world. So if you have never experienced snow, this is what it's like. It's cold, windy. We are expecting 12 more inches of snow. Thankfully, we still have power. $16 inches of snow. It's gardeningtime.com.